Want to make a website? Or maybe there's a need to redesign your current page. Either way, in the end, your website should make a profit, and nowadays there are a lot of tools to attract visitors. Unfortunately, most of them just make your budget vanish. So what's the point in attracting visitors if they don't become customers? A lot of creative types call themselves web designers. Some of them actually can make a web page and fill it with content. But is it enough to convert a visitor into a customer? Don't you think website development requires a more serious approach? Well, that's what we do. We have made websites for several years now, and our websites do convert. We make them not only functional, but also attractive to your potential customers. Let's show you how we do it. First, we take a look at your business. We define your target audience, reveal the strongest competitors, and determine your pros and cons. Now it's time to make a sketch. We define the positioning of elements and content, and then combine it with a color palette. After that, we estimate its usability. We ensure that it is comfortable for a visitor and that all the elements are properly balanced for easy website navigation. When the website is finished, don't forget the marketing and search engine optimization. That is why we optimize our websites while developing them. Well, we are ready to make a website. We design and create attractive websites supported by all modern devices and browsers. Moreover, after your website is hosted, we'll keep supporting it, and we'll make all the necessary fixes and control all the updates to be made in time. Yep, website development is a complex task, but this is the only way to create a truly high-quality product. That's what we believe, and so do our clients. So what about you now?